Ford finally cracked the code that every truck maker has been struggling with. A plug-in hybrid pickup that doesn't ask you to sacrifice anything. The 2026 Ranger PHEV Platinum looks aggressive from every angle. The signature clamp headlights cut sharp across the hood. The grille sits wide and imposing. This isn't trying to hide what it is. And that's the first clue that something different is happening here. Pop the hood, and you're staring at a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder. Nothing revolutionary there. Ford's been perfecting this engine for over a decade. But sandwiched between that Turbo 4 and a 10-speed automatic sits an electric motor. Combined output? Around 340 horsepower and over 450 pound-feet of torque. That torque number matters more than anything else on this spec sheet, because in a truck, torque is the currency that actually buys you capability. And 450 pound-feet available instantly from that electric motor means this Ranger pulls harder off the line. Step inside the Platinum trim, and the interior punches above its class. Leather-wrapped everything. The 12.4-inch portrait touchscreen dominates the center stack. The digital gauge cluster stretches 12.4 inches across. Both run Ford's Sync 4 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. The seats are heated and ventilated. In a midsize truck, that used to be reserved for the heavy-duty rigs. Bang & Olufsen handles the audio. 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise with stop-and-go traffic support. Ford packed genuine luxury into this cabin. The rear seats fold flat, and the underseat storage is surprisingly useful. This is a working truck dressed in a tuxedo. Then V6 is twice its displacement. The 11.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack sits protected beneath the bed. Smart packaging. You lose zero cargo space. Zero payload capacity compared to the standard Ranger. Ford claims around 28 to 30 miles of pure electric range, enough to handle most daily commutes without burning a single drop of fuel. And when the battery depletes, the system seamlessly switches to hybrid mode. You're still getting significantly better fuel economy than the standard EcoBoost. But here's what makes this genuinely clever. The battery acts as an onboard power source. Ford calls it Pro Power Onboard. You get 7.2 kilowatts of exportable electricity, enough to run power tools, charge equipment, or power a small campsite without an idling engine. Now the question everyone is asking. The 2026 Ranger PHEV Platinum starts around $54,000. That sounds steep for a mid-size truck, but calculate the fuel savings over 5 years of ownership. Factor in the federal tax credit eligibility. Consider what you'd spend on a generator that this truck replaces. Suddenly that number looks different. Ford isn't just selling a truck, they're selling an entire ecosystem. One vehicle that commutes silently, works hard on weekends, and provides emergency power when you need it. The Ranger PHEV doesn't ask you to choose between efficiency and capability. It proves you don't have to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.